What's up everybody, it's Profit Plan back with another video. And today, we're diving into the world of YouTube automation. We're talking faceless channels, my friends. That's right, making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. I know what you're thinking. Is that even possible? Oh, it's more than possible. It's happening right now. People are crushing it with faceless channels, and I'm gonna show you how they're doing it. But first, we gotta talk niches, baby. Picking the right niche is like finding a golden ticket. It can make or break your channel. So we're gonna go deep, explore the hottest niches out there, and I'm gonna give you the inside scoop on what's working right now. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the AI and the algorithm. AI is blowing up right now, and for good reason. It's changing the game in every industry, and YouTube is no exception. Think about it. AI-generated content, AI editing tools, AI voiceovers, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of it. There are channels out there right now killing it with AI content, and they're doing it all faceless. So if you're looking for a niche with massive potential, AI is where it's at. Now, within the world of AI, there's a sub-niche that's absolutely on fire right now, AI news. People are hungry for the latest updates, breakthroughs, and controversies in the world of AI, and guess what? They're turning to YouTube to get their fix. Just look at a channel like Digital Engine. Over 485,000 subscribers, only 18 videos, and they're pulling in serious cash. Why? Because they're delivering high-quality AI news in a concise, engaging way. They're using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and they're crushing it. But hey, maybe you don't want to just report on AI, maybe you want to teach people how to use it to blow up their own channels. That's where the AI guy niche comes in. This is all about showing people the ropes, teaching them how to leverage AI tools to create amazing content, optimize their videos, and grow their audience. There are tons of creators out there struggling to keep up with the AI revolution. Be the one who guides them, the AI whisperer, the YouTube Yoda. Trust me, the demand is there and the earning potential is massive. Chapter 4 AI Content Academy Build Your Empire. Now, if you want to take it a step further, why not create an entire AI Content Academy? This is next-level stuff, my friends. We're talking full-blown courses, tutorials, and resources dedicated to helping people master AI content creation. Think about it. Video editing, script writing, voiceovers, even thumbnail design. AI can do it all. People are willing to pay big bucks for this kind of knowledge, and with a faceless channel, you can scale it to the moon. Alright, let's move on from the world of AI and dive into another evergreen niche, health. This is a massive category with endless sub-niches to explore. We're talking muscle gain, weight loss, healthy recipes, natural remedies, the list goes on. And the best part is people are always searching for this information on YouTube. They want to get in shape, eat healthier, and feel better, and you can be the one to guide them on their journey. Chapter 6. Muscle gain, pump up the volume. Let's get specific. If you're passionate about fitness, the muscle gain niche could be your golden ticket. Think about it. Workout routines, supplement reviews, motivational content. There's so much you can do. And you don't even need to show your own gains. Channels like Body Hub are absolutely killing it with over 1.44 million subscribers. They're using stock images, AI voiceovers, and they're providing real value to their audience. So if you're ready to help people achieve their fitness goals, this could be the niche for you. Weight loss. Help people transform. Now, on the flip side, we have the weight loss niche. This is another massive market with millions of people searching for guidance and support on their weight loss journey. And here's the thing, people are more likely to trust weight loss advice from someone who's been there, someone who understands their struggles. That's the beauty of a faceless channel. You can be that relatable voice, that source of inspiration, without ever having to reveal your own transformation. Natural remedies. Tap into ancient wisdom. But hey, maybe you're passionate about natural health and wellness. The natural remedies niche is booming right now, with people turning to alternative medicine and holistic practices more than ever before. Think about it. Herbal remedies, essential oils, mindfulness techniques. There's a ton of content you can create. And the best part is, you don't need to be a certified practitioner to share this information. You can simply curate and present it in an engaging and informative way. Chapter 9. Wealth. Unlock financial freedom. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. The wealth niche is another evergreen category with endless possibilities. We're talking make money online, investing, real estate, personal finance, the list goes on. And the best part is, people are always looking for ways to improve their financial situation. They want to make more money, manage their money better, and achieve financial freedom. Chapter 10. Make money online, share the secrets. Now within the wealth niche, the make money online sub-niche is absolutely on fire. People are searching for legitimate ways to make extra cash, start a side hustle, or even build a full-time income online, and you can be the one to show them the way. Share your knowledge, your experiences, and your strategies for success. Just look at a channel like Make Money Matt. Chapter 11. Investment be the guiding light. But hey, maybe you're passionate about investing. The stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, these are all hot topics right now and people are hungry for information. A channel like Chris Invest is a perfect example. They're using whiteboard animation videos to break down complex investing concepts in a simple and engaging way. And with over 142,000 subscribers, they're proving that you don't need to show your face to build a successful investing channel. Chapter 12. Luxury. Live the good life. Now if you're all about the finer things in life, the luxury niche might be right up your alley. Exotic cars, high-end fashion, luxury travel. This niche is all about showcasing the best of the best. And you don't need to be a millionaire to create content in this niche. You can simply curate and present information about luxury brands, products, and experiences. Now if you're all about spreading positivity and inspiration, the motivation niche might be your calling. Motivational speeches, inspiring stories, personal development tips. There's so much you can do in this niche. And the best part is, you don't need to be a world-renowned speaker to make an impact. You can simply curate and share content that resonates with you. But hey, maybe you're a bookworm at heart. The book summary niche is a great way to share your love of reading with the world. People are busy, and they don't always have time to read an entire book. That's where you come in. Provide concise and insightful summaries of best-selling books covering the key takeaways and actionable advice. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite escape, travel. The travel niche is another massive category with endless content possibilities. Destination guides, travel tips, adventure vlogs. People are always looking for inspiration and information about new places to explore. And you can be their virtual tour guide. Share your travel experiences, your favorite destinations, and your tips for planning the perfect trip. Last but not least, we have the fascinating world of psychology. This niche is all about exploring the human mind, understanding behavior, and unlocking our full potential. From self-improvement tips to relationship advice, there's a ton of content you can create in this niche. And the best part is, you don't need to be a licensed therapist to share this information. You can simply curate and present it in an engaging and informative way. So there you have it, my friends. 20 killer niches for faceless YouTube channels. Remember, the key is to pick a niche that you're passionate about, that you have some knowledge in, and that has the potential to make you some serious cash. Now I know what you're thinking. Shinji, this is a lot of information, and you're right, it is, but don't get overwhelmed. Start with one niche, master it, and then move on to the next. The beauty of YouTube automation is that you can scale your channel over time. You don't need to do everything at once.